everyone, this is April with Flowers from the Foss family. We garden in zone 4A here in northern Minnesota. Today we are doing a little video of the kids and Matt planting out beans. That was one of our favorite things last summer.
What'd she say?
Dad's butt's hanging out.
That's it, November. You don't get to plant any beans.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
You're laughing at my butt.
I want half. I want that some too.
How big of a spot do you want?
Whatever.
I want that.
We should have done a squash,
Oh, I brought some up. My
Zuc-
pocket, actually.
zucchini, I mean.
Where do you want that?
I don't know, they get so humongous, but they're fun. I like them.
It is growing back. Not as good
They
as
were,
up there.
they were
but
right there.
Yep.
they're all through here. Actually.
But the best one grew there. Maybe we can put it in the back of this big chunk.
I forgot. Wait, can we eat the skin? I forgot.
Yep, let's see what we're planting, Charlotte. What are they called?
They're called green beans.
Green beans, garden beans.
Let's see, close up. Close up. Okay. What does that smell like, November?
Smells like cow poop.
Meow.
Say
Let me
gross.
see. I want to see how close to the path you are.
Pretty close.
Where do you want to be?
Daddy,
Well, we still want to be able to put cosmos behind them.
Behind them?
Yeah.
do I smell it?
No, it stinks. I don't like it. Do you like it? Mm-mm.
There's no. It smells like cow poop. That's what it is.
Or
These are big. I never knew they were that big.
Well,
Are we gonna
this
do
far
all of
apart.
them or just
like
some
one
of them?
here, one here, one here, one here,
Dad,
like that.
are we gonna do some of them or all of them?
Well, whatever 3 will go. Here. Put one there.
Oh,
Oh, that's
okay.
pretty close.
We'll just put that one
good job, November.
Maybe something will go.
You're doing so
No, right
good.
right here.
If we have more, we'll just pull them out.
Squash.
Good job.
Should we do one squash behind it?
If you
Or no,
want.
do you want?
There.
November, did you plant beans?
Yeah.
No, well, wait. Let's put the poopy stuff on there.
Oh, stinky stuff.
Yeah.
There one in there?
Mhm.
You want me to cover it?
Yeah.
Then you cover it.
Yeah, let November do. Good job, November.
is
Can I
it?
do that one? Do I have to separate?
Just hold on to it.
Bury it.
Canterbury bells. Right?
Where do you want me to put mine?
We're gonna put it on the other side.
What do you mean the other side? Wait.
Where are the sticks? Mom's gonna want
Wait.
any sticks.
The sticks are fine for now.
Bring your beans.
And
Stay on
say,
the
oops. Yep, we're gonna plant, what's it called?
I have no idea.
Canterbury bells,
Okay.
I think.
Good to know.
Canterbury bells, something like that.
There's a wood chip in here.
There's lots of wood chips.
Here, I guess.
Here.
Where's it going?
I need this.
Looks like a dahlia.
Uh-oh.
No.
Mommy.
It's all gone. That's okay.
Yeah, this is all gone.
It's pretty
Let
stinky.
me put this in front of it, because
Okay.
don't go.
Don't
Leave
go
it.
past the stick. Okay.
Where should we put a
Yeah.
seed?
I think we should put one right here. Charlotte,
You
Zucchini.
gotta read the back.
aren't we just
Can't.
put, should we put
Oh, you're
more than
supposed to
one
make a
seed
hill.
in case?
A hill?
A hill, gotta make a hill.
This is part of it. Cover 'em up. Pan down lightly.
What?
Hold it.
You wanna help me? Can you get Charlotte
I
in
got
there?
it. I got it.
Get Charlotte in there. Is she doing a good job?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yay!
Yay, I did it.
Now get her face. Press the red button.